Hey everyone, Clint McCullough, Clinical Sales Director for BoneFoam here. Today we're going to demonstrate how to apply a sterile bag to one of our ramp products. This process of applying the sterile bag is going to be the same for our acute angle knee wedges and our cylindrical bumps. I'm going to be playing the role of the sterile scrub tech. The back table has already been draped and our sterile bag product has already been dumped onto the table in a sterile fashion. Once I'm ready to take the ramp, I take the sterile bag and I make sure that my hands are protected, making sure the cuff goes all the way around my hands like that. Ben or anyone else in the sterile field will then put the bag in and it'll naturally fall to the bottom. Meanwhile, I keep my hands in this cuff. From there, I can place this on a table and there is a adhesive strip here on the back side of this that I will get rid of, and then it just closes on itself and will come around and maintain sterility. It can then live on the back table until we're ready for it in the operative field. The nice thing about the sterile bag is now it allows us to have this above the drapes rather than below the drapes, so we can have it in the field, do a part of the procedure where we need the ramp elevator, and then at a time when we want the leg all the way straight, we can remove it, maintaining sterility, and have it on the back table with our other sterile products and tools. To learn more about any of our BoneFoam positioning solutions, visit us at bonefoam.com or reach out to our clinical sales team.